Hey y'all, I'm recording a video about saving our produce seeds in the grocery section. And here is a start of a jalapeno I have cut up there, you see. And I have the tomato seeds in there, as I took them out under the water in a salad bowl to kind of keep them from getting hurt. And here we got the jalapeno seeds again. See, they're here drying out because I don't know really about them right away right now, but I'm working on it here. And see, they're drying. Maybe they're drying now in the sun, and that is drying planted tomato seed there in that soil. And hi there, my name is Jeremy. Hey, nice to be acquainted with y'all on video here. So we see we have the jalapeno stem here to show you that it's going to work out. And we have our bean plant that I have grown a few months ago, or about 6 months ago. And see there, that is a 6-month project. It is starting to get beans on it, so little beans. And we are drying the jalapeno. I'm drying the jalapeno seed, and then there's the tomato plant. So you see, we are going to go in now. I'm going to go in to show you the sauces that I am coming up with here with these plants. So just give me a minute. I have to grab the flashlight. Might have to spotlight it. Alright. So we've got our tomatoes here, you see. We've got our tomatoes here. Right here. We're gonna open up I'm gonna open it up here. Show you that there are no seeds in these tomatoes, as I have took them completely out. See, there is not a seed in those tomatoes. And don't they look right? You see, they are so ripe here. They are like astronomical. They are just, move it here. You see there, they are so wonderful looking without the seeds. Am I right or am I wrong? You see, we got one more here. They look like part of our mouth. Well, anyway, I plan on doing a little ketchup sauce out of these seeds. Put a little sugar in it, I guess. Maybe a little salt. Here I will put the tomatoes back in, you see. I'll put the tomatoes back in the pot here. And I will show you the new sauce I have came up with the balsamic vinegar. You got there at the Publix here, you see. Balsamic vinegar. Alright, it's coming up. It's coming up here. It's coming up. See, I took the jalapeno that I showed y'all earlier, and I put it in the balsamic vinegar. So this may come to a surprise to you, but it is going to be, you see the jalapeno and the balsamic vinegar? Well, that should spice that sauce up a little. I put just a little quarter there, just a little quarter, about right there where the flashlight ends, of vinegar, and then the rest water. See, I've got a lot left. That was brand new. That was brand new, and I put that in there. So, we have the balsamic hot sauce coming up after it ferments like heaven. Alright, so we have our two sauces here. We got the tomato, we got the balsamic jalapeno sauce, and then we have the tomatoes. I'm going to do some ketchup in here. Ketchup probably with that, maybe a salsa, I'm not sure yet. But there you are, we have that going. We have that right, and we are going to show you the rest of the plan again one more last time. There it is. There's our Son of Man in the sky, Jesus Christ. And we got the soil. We got the seeds and the soil. And the seeds are in the soil. So nice to talk with y'all on video, and again, this is for my GoFundMe account. I'm going to be posting on YouTube to make new sauces out of saving produce seeds that I go down and buy at the store. My name's Jeremy James, and nice to meet y'all, and nice for y'all to see me. I'm here in Northport, Alabama. Yes, we're going through a pandemic crisis right now. People are wearing masks, but you see, I don't have a mask on. It's not that terrible. It's not as hard for them to cure it as they say. So, hope y'all remember that, and maybe just start saving your seeds. Maybe you might need them cheaper. I can guarantee you that. Alright, y'all. Bye.